Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Lodha Camelot Kharadi, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Pune and developed by Lodha Groups. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में। लोधा केमलॉट खराड़ी will be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 25 floors with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK penthouse premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल। कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर कपिला रिसोर्ट खराड़ी पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर विद इन 1 किलोमीटर, इयन IT पार्क विद इन 1 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो Reliance Smart within 2 kilometers. Coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like jogging track, amphitheater, health club, clubhouse, kids play area, gymnasium and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Lodha Camelot Kharadi has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK penthouse premium residences with 3 BHK starting from 1200 to 1300 square feet and 3.5 BHK starting from 1450 to 1600 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 2150 to 2309 square feet and 5 BHK penthouse starting from 4500 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model. And we'll share the pricing and payment schemes and we'll show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Lodha Camelot Kharadi, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Pune and developed by Lodha Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like and share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.